If you are a young woman willing to change the future of Bangladesh's energy sector, this is your chance.
Globally, we are going through an energy transition, and Bangladesh needs bold and brilliant leaders to help navigate the path to a greener future.
Shakti Kanya Leadership Program has been designed to nurture this talent.
Don't just watch the future. Shape it. Be part of it.
Imagine exclusive modules to help equip and empower you, interactive sessions with global experts, access to industry leaders for amazing networking opportunities.
Shakti Kanya surpassed all my expectations. It gives you the confidence and motivation to grow yourself as a leader.
And being the top performer of this cohort, I was awarded with the International Learning Opportunity, where I represented my country and became the voice of youth.
এবং তোমাদের জার্নিটা আসলে দেখতে পেয়ে আমাদেরও খুব ভালো লেগেছে। তোমাদের মধ্যে একজন আমাদের সাথে সহকর্মী হিসেবেও কিছুদিন কাজ করেছে আমাদের সাথে।
So please come, apply and join us.